Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Gian of Gadget, Pilipinas. Dito kami ngayon sa Los Angeles and behind me is the Korean Belle. Of course, shooting using the Osmo Pocket 3 is of course my sister, si Lei. No? She's based here in California. Okay, so ano ba pag-usapan namin ngayon? It's very quick lang. It's about the Hohem iSteady MT2 that was sent to us by JG Superstore. By the way, dito kami ngayon sa parang small basketball court. No, full pa rin naman yung court niya, no? Full court pa naman siya, but this is a little special because this was one of the courts that were featured sa Apple, no? Yan, so, okay, so, ito yung kit na pinadala sa amin ni JG Superstore. Kompleto siya kasi as a kit, no, this is actually meant for content creators na may SLR, APS-C camera, smartphones, at saka action cameras. Kaya, ang daming nakalagay dito, no? Merong action camera. I have here the GoPro Hero 12. I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. At I don't have here my cameras because in this coverage sa AMD, hindi ako nagdala ng APS-C camera. Okay, setting this up is a little easy. What we need to do lang is to make sure na nakalock lahat. And then after that, you have unlock buttons dito for this particular level area, and also this one. And then, am I missing something pa? Okay, and we have one here as well. Okay, meron pa tayo ditong nakalock dito. Yan, okay, yan. Okay, so as you can see, it's not yet leveled, and our intention is to bring this to a leveled location or panel or area, and then i-relocate natin ngayon dito yung level niya. Kung nakalundo on the right side, you just have to set it up a bit. Ayan, and then dito naman sa kabila, so far so good. As you can see, leveled na siya, and you just press this button until you hear that. And that's it. And fully set up na yung iPhone 15 Pro Max mounted on the Hohem iSteady MT2. As you can see, it didn't take me more than a minute to set everything up, no? And it's very stable, as you can see right there. And if I shoot now, dahil meron din siyang remote, may button siya for me kasi nakakonect siya via Bluetooth, it's now easier for me to control and navigate. Maraming features to, no? There's a POV mode, there's also PF, no? Focus, pan focus. There's PTF, no? Or pan, tilt, and focus. At meron din ito na feature na pwede siyang umikot. As far as I know, di ganun. Yan. There you go. And it will just rotate. Pero ang crucial dito, dapat naka-level siya properly kasi kung hindi siya naka-level, it will not rotate. Yeah, it will have a hard time rotating. But you know, since it's leveled properly, it is rotating right now. So ito yung ICP mode na tinatawag nila. Okay, so I am now using the iSteady MT2 and probably you're seeing now two shots, no? One shot of me using it and another shot of my view, no? On my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Ayoko imintis tong time na to because it is sunset, no? At what better way to capture the sunset, no, than doing it or seeing it with your sister? Yes, no? And of course dito sa Korean Belle, no? One of the best spots in Southern California. Yan, no? So, ayan, no, very stable lang MT2 as you can see, and I can basically do whatever I want. PTF, I can set it to POV para each time I move, it also moves. As you can see, there's Lei. By the way, she's only shooting this using the Osmo Pocket 3, no? And as you can see, the quality is fantastic. And I'm using this naman, the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the MT2. Of course, no? Ang ganda rin, no? Very good quality. And I'm not even shooting, no, at the ProRes log. Ano to? Ito yung regular lang, no? Na 1080p 30. And so far, so good. And as you can see, no, napaka-stable. Great sunset shot, as you can see right there. Ang ganda. And what can I say? It's really one of the best ways to maximize technologies like this one from Hohem. So ngayon, gagawin ko, tatakbo ako, no? Ikot akong ganun. Nakakapagod yun, pero for you guys, gagawin ko, no? 1, 2, 3, go! Very stable so far. I like it. Woo. Yeah, very stable. Super love it. Yan, so napaka-stable niya, no? And this is one of the devices that you can use. iPhone, Android devices. Pwede rin ng GoPro if you want. Hindi ko lang dala yung mount for the GoPro, but yes, you can use it. And APS-C camera. Alright, so this is one of the features I like about it. No? This is this AI component right here. Let me just take it off. It's magnetic. I can turn it on by flicking this switch there, and then I will just have to reattach it to the camera. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this, and then it's not tracking me, as you can see. See? That's amazing.
Super cool.
Oh,
And
diba?
I'm not moving at all. I'm not moving.
Yeah, you're not moving at all, and as you can see right there, but it is tracking me. It's recording me too, diba?
Yeah.
Because you press it.
Wait, turn around and go behind me.
Huh?
So we could see a shot together.
Yep.
Wow, so cool.
Cool, diba?
Start here, where there's sunset.
Yeah.
Wow, so nice.
So if you really want to capture moments, no, this is really one of the features that I really like about the MT2. And I'm not even paid to tell you guys about this, no. It's just for me really, you know,
Hey,
having
it's
a
also
good
light.
blast, no, of that gimbal.
Too.
Yeah, it's not even heavy. It's very convenient to have something like this, especially if you're a solo content creator. No? To me, I appreciate this kind of technology, and that's something that can be done, no, with this AI module connected to it. Without the AI module, ibig sabihin yan, you will be relying on the application. Karamihan, no, sa mga apps, no, and karamihan sa mga gimbals available in the market right now would rely on their applications para gumana yung mga smart features niya. But not on this one, because I don't need even to use the Hohem Joy app. I just need to use that AI module that follows me wherever I go. Shot 1, tapos shot 2 here. Boom. And then start. Meron pa siyang time-lapse feature, as you can see right here. Nag-set lang ako ng mga spots, and then it will just do its job. Okay, so what can I say about the iSteady MT2? No, to me, it's one of the most capable and flexible gimbals available in the market right now, and you can buy it via JG Superstore. It can mount your smartphones, your APS-C camera, your action cameras. Pero syempre, my favorite is its gimbal capability and its AI function. Alright, so that's it for my video today. No, this has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. As you can see right here, I am shooting it with the MT2 by Hohem. No? Special thanks to JG Superstore for letting me use this. Giniginaw na ako dito kasi lumalamig na masyado. No? I think hindi lang 54 degrees to eh. Probably lower than that. No? Yeah, but because of the wind chill, mas lalo pa siya. No? But that's fine. No? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!